Hey guys, I'm Mihika. So, I had been looking for the perfect hair dryer since quite some time, and last week I bought this Vega GoPro hair dryer. Let me show you its features. Made from a sturdy and strong plastic body, this hair dryer is long lasting and compact enough to be used comfortably. The ceramic coating on the dryer allows it to distribute heat evenly to allow the user to maintain a smooth airflow and hence a quick and convenient blow drying experience. With its 2100 watts powerful motor, this dryer offers 2 speed settings along with 3 heat settings for optimum user convenience. It also has an automatic overheat cutout feature which makes the dryer shut down automatically when the dryer isn't in use. The Vega GoPro VH-DH25 hair dryer has so many amazing features which makes it perfect for daily use without any hassle. It has multiple speed and heat settings and a very sturdy plastic body, so it makes it super durable.